In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make app on Lovable. We're going to walk through how to create your first app using Lovable's chat-driven builder. It's a simple conversational workflow, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a working prototype without touching code. Start by opening your browser and going to lovable.dev. Once the page loads, you'll see the main workspace with a chat panel. That chat box is the heart of Lovable. Think of it as your partner builder. You describe what you want and it assembles the app for you. Begin by describing your app in plain English. Be clear and specific about what the app should do and who it's for. Mention the core features, the types of users, any important data you want to track, and how you expect people to interact with it. The more context you give, the better the first version will be. You don't need technical jargon, just explain your idea like you would to a teammate. Here's a strong example you can paste into the chat to see how it works. Build me a task management web app with user sign up/login, projects, tasks, deadlines, and email notifications. This prompt covers authentication, core entities, key actions, and a communication feature, which gives the AI enough structure to generate something useful on the first try. After you send your prompt, Lovable will start generating your app. This may take a few moments. During this time, it's assembling the interface, wiring up logic, and preparing a working experience you can interact with. Let it run to completion. When it's done, you'll be able to preview the result and interact with the basic functionality the prompt described. From here, iterate right inside the same chat. Type follow-up prompts to customize behavior, content, or design. You can ask for visual tweaks, like change the primary color to a dark blue and use a clean, modern font, or functional changes like add a priority field to tasks with low, medium, and high options, or enforce that deadlines can't be set in the past. You can also refine the user flow, such as add a quick add task box at the top of each project, or add email reminders one day before a task deadline. Make one change at a time, check the result, and keep refining. Clear, actionable requests work best. A quick tip as you experiment: keep your prompts concise but complete, and avoid sharing any sensitive information. If something isn't quite right, say what you expected and what happened, and the model will adjust. That's it. Open Lovable, describe your app, let it generate and iterate in the chat until it feels